Chief of Army Staff, General Bipin Rawat, Chief of Air Staff, Chief Marshal A.P. Singh, Mrs. Dwivedi, all the ladies here, all the dignitaries, senior officers, serving officers, my colleague veterans, ladies and gentlemen. Very good evening, and I must sincerely thank the Chief of Army Staff and Chief of Air Staff for gracing the occasion, finding time, and your presence certainly means a lot for the GPR Foundation. And I have to apologize to you that obviously, as you see, my people don't listen to me too much, and the rather large introduction wasn't took a lot of your time. So sorry about that. But on the GPR Foundation, I think last year we inaugurated it on 16th of March. It's 1 year now. Last year was the third memorial lecture. This is the fourth one. And having spent 1 year, our very purpose of making this foundation is to remember the legacy of General Bipin Rawat and ensure that the future generations remember it and get motivated by the achievements and extraordinary work done during his lifetime. Also, as part of the foundation intent is to do a lot of good work towards educating the public in general, the youth in particular, about nation building through lectures, through other activities during the year, and it is work in progress. It is still to pan out fully. And also to really support the youth in their endeavors to join the forces or the civil services or any other competitive exams, particularly in far-flung areas, and for the youth who are not adequately equipped in terms of means or in terms of reach to be able to aspire to reach these services. So that is the intent, and a lot of work, background work has been done, and in time to come, we hope to work a lot towards that. Having spent 1 year, I think the kind of support that we have got from the senior leadership has been extraordinary on all occasions. There are 2 occasions annually that we meet in particular. On the birth anniversary, like today, the 4th memorial talk, for which Chief of Army Staff has kindly consented. And in December, when we meet to pay homage. Other than that, all other items or the curriculum that we formulate for the year is based on rest of the plan in terms of motivations. General Bipin Rawat, we are all aware, had a tremendous career over 4 decades plus, and his lifetime dedication to the nation is well known. I will not go into those details because it is so well documented, so well talked about. And in particular, being the first Chief of Defense Staff and the kind of work that he did to lay the foundation of integration of the 3 services is something that he'll be particularly remembered for. Without taking any more of your time, I would now invite Chief of Army Staff General Bipin Rawat to kindly present his memorial talk, and we are eagerly waiting for you. And I must again put on record our really sincere appreciation to all of you for coming here and motivating us and our team to be able to continue in this task. Thank you.